No investment advice is provided. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Guys, how's it going? Sways is here. I thought I'd make a quick video on a few tickers because the markets are really picking up. You know what I mean? And as you know, we've called a lot of winners. If anyone's following us on Swayze's Charts Discord, we've been calling a lot of winners, and recently, a lot of the charts are working out, which is fantastic. Our system of technical analysis works, is real, and really helps a lot of people. And that's what we teach in Swayze's Charts Discord. We're nearly at 11,000 tweets now, for free on Twitter to the masses. And yeah, fantastic. Oh, let me just shout out to Noel Borge, who smashed over 10,000 followers on Twitter. So just wanted to say, well done, Noel. You're a great guy. You got a big heart. You give a lot. Nice picture, Noel. Handsome fella. You give a lot for free on Twitter. You're a very talented chartist, and you know what you're talking about. And just wanted to say I'm a big fan, and thanks for all the support and all that you've given Swayze's Charts Discord. You've retweeted a lot of our charts. You've really helped us grow, and I don't forget my mates. And you're a top guy, and you're a fantastic cook as well, by the looks of all the photographs that you send me of your food. And well done, mate. Skillful and nice guy, and a helpful person, and a giver. And I'm a big fan and a big supporter of yours, mate. So keep up the good work, Noel. Love you, mate. Carry on doing what you do. Concentrate on being you. And, mate, next stop, 20,000 followers, mate, for you. Plus. Fantastic, mate. Right, what I'm going to do, guys, I'm just going to jump to the charts and just basically just do some tickers on the fly, yeah? So, PHE, Powerhouse Energy, if anyone's following us, look at the tweets, look at the chronology of the tweets. We called the bounce here. Sub 3p called the bounce. Price is now 4.915. It's currently up 8.76%. Pushing hard. The big macro trend's in play as far as I'm concerned. This big macro trend is in play. Price has broken out of the 8-9 month downtrend with conviction. It did it the other day when price closed at 13.92%. And what I'm loving about this chart is that price is getting over now the 200 EMA. So the price is above the 21, the 50, the 100, and now price is getting above, trying to get above the 200. I think it's going to open up all this beautiful market structure up ahead. And I see wonderful things unfolding with Powerhouse Energy Group, PLC. And I think it's going to realise 10 pence plus real soon. There's things going on with that company which are dynamic and which really address a major issue in the world, which is plastic pollution. And hydrogen tech, in my opinion, is one to look out for. I think get in now with hydrogen tech early on, and I think solid companies like PHE, which is a tech company with real life solutions to address plastic pollution, turn it into hydrogen, turn it into electricity, turn it into energy. I think there's major big things coming for this company. Absolutely love it and really admire what they do. The chart's reflected as well. Pushing over 10% up for the day just before. It's done like 27% in the past 3 days, I think, or something like that now. Or is it 26%? Oh, I don't know. I think it's going to fly. Very excited about PHE. Let's just go into some tickers, right? SNG looks like it's trying to test this level again on the daily chart. We had a week break with SNG on the 24th last week. Price is currently 156p a share, 1.35%. It looks like it's testing this level. We've got this kind of flag that price looks like it's trying to break out of. So I need to do a slight rechart with Synergy PLC, but I think price is testing this key level. And if it is, and it's going to break with some sort of conviction. We've got some lovely market structure up ahead with SNG. Let's have a look at Dark. Dark Trace PLC looks like a lovely little move could be in play here. There's not a lot of data. It's not been around that long. But to me, Dark is looking bullish. We've called out a couple of tweets last week and what have you that we like the look of Dark. It's currently trading at 667. Currently up 5.39%. And again, with Dark, it looks like it's breaking out of this consolidation zone. Price came down, consolidated along, found support. Looks like it's breaking out again with conviction. If we get a nice solid close today with Dark, does price want to? Is price heading back up to fill this gap and to test its all-time high? Possibly. I think so. Looking at the charts. Let's jump to RMM, Rambler Metals and Mining PLC. Anybody that follows us, again, we've charted out RMM several times. We've called out these horrendous sell-offs, these traps. Today, price looks like it's testing, again, this 2.5-year macro downtrend with RMM. So price has been in this downtrend 2.5 years approximately. Price didn't like it last time, sold off, which was May of this year. We called that sell-off. It was being ramped to buy. People bought, and then people have been feeling the pain, unfortunately, if you're still in with RMN. But price looks like it's testing. Will price finally close over this 2.5-year downtrend? We'll know by close of play today. Price is currently at 21.75, 3.5% up. What else should we have a quick look at? This is just a quick recap, guys. We're not getting like too into the TA. We're just doing some quick recaps. Right, so let's have a look at HMI. HMI chart's working out. Price is currently at 1.97% up. It was up a little bit more earlier on. But it looks like the buyers are in with HMI at the minute, and it looks like price may want to test out this market structure up ahead. I see a larger macro bullish uptrend. And yeah, we called this move like quite a while back with Swayze's Charts Discord. Called it on Twitter. Check the chronology of the tweets. It's all there. I like the look of HMI, Harvest Minerals, should I say. There's nice market structure up ahead. And we've got like a really nice convergence of the EMAs now. Pretty much all of them are underneath price action. Nice, tight convergence. We have this lovely market makers buying candle. It just looks like price wants to go to the up. Looks like price to me in the short term to medium term, looks like price may want to test 5p moving forward. That's what it looks like according to my charts. We came out of a downtrend. We got a lovely we came out of a downtrend, consolidated, came up, price created this cup and handle continuation pattern. Price is defeated by the looks of it. These possibilities, these head and shoulders reversals, and price is now closing over. Its price has closed over a key level, which was a potential head and shoulders reversal, which was 3.47. Price closed over that on the 18th, but then sold off. But then price is back, testing these higher highs. And like I said, create this continuation pattern, which I think is bullish continuation to the up. Prem, let's have a look at Prem. Prem is currently trading at 0.1980. It's currently 1.59% up. I see bullish continuation with Prem. I think this is the channel, this bullish uptrend. Price broke out, as we've made videos about it and charts about it previously. Broke out with solid conviction on the 3rd, broke out of this downtrend, then came into this triangle. Price looks to me like it's trying to get above the EMAs at a critical level on the charts. We've got price is already above the 200, price is already above the 100, it's above the 50. Price is just trying to get over the 21. So if we can get a decent close with Premier African Minerals today, right, I think price may want to exploit this market structure, looking at the charts. I'm calling it bullish. We had a decent close yesterday. If we look at this candle that we had yesterday, it was a pretty bullish candle, this like green tail bar, but we just need the buyers to come in and push Prem up so it can take advantage of this market structure up ahead. Yeah, we've got some areas of resistance as well as areas of support, but it would be nice to see this little move come to fruition. We called it a while back, got about 18% out of this move, then price sold off. But I see, like, it looks like on the daily chart, we can zoom to the 4-hour, but it looks like we're seeing a little bit of stability, and it looks like price is finding a little bit of support. So another one to keep an eye out for with Prem. EUA, fantastic. Called this bounce on I think 31st of August or whatever with EUA on the charts. Price has found strong support. It's breaking out. It broke out of this area of resistance, which was like 23.06. Looks like price is looking to test maybe 35.74 in the short term. It's looking really strong. Price is above all the EMAs. Like I say, there's a lot of buying coming in. Decent volume today, over 28 million in volume. I see the macro uptrend with EUA. Eurasian Mining PLC is bullish. Price consolidated for a while, came down, found strong support at about 15p, and boom, up it's gone. And we're currently at 12.92% up. Currently, the time's just gone 1 p.m. We got the last trading day of the week, and it looks like a lot of buyers are in control. What else should we have a look at? Let's have a quick look at Turn. Price broke out with a weak break, like I mentioned a week or so ago, out of this downtrend. It was a weak break, then price sold off, but it looks like Turn is finding some support today. Weak breaks, you don't always want to look at weak breaks as decent entries, in my opinion. Weak breaks, usually leave them a few days, let price find some decent support, and then look at possible entries. But price did break out with this weak break, sold off. Looks like support is being found. Price with Turn is currently trading at 21.3. It's currently 6.4% up. We're looking at the daily chart, and if price can find and exploit this close for today, give us a decent close, should I say, we've got a nice market structure up ahead. Price may want to revisit, 32, 33p. Should I say test out 31.65, and then market structure up ahead is saying 33p. In the bigger picture, this is how I see Turn PLC moving. There's some nice cup and handle continuation patterns, and it looks like the buyers may be back with Turn. What else should we have a look at, guys? Let's just have a quick look. Let's just jump to these alerts because it's just a bit quicker using the alerts. I noticed that we had some nice movement with ECR. Let's just jump to ECR. ECR again, we called this recent bounce with ECR on the 1st of September. ECR Minerals PLC, we're currently 5.92% up on the daily chart. Price is currently trading 1.906. This area of 2.020 is an area of resistance that price needs to get over. It's looking like it's pretty bullish at the minute, but this is a key area. Price has not been able to get past this area for some time, since like May of this year or just before May of this year. Price has been struggling to get past, but strong support found like mid-August of this year, last month. And then we called this particular bounce, got a strong market makers candle, strong solid buying candle, but an area of resistance of 2.030. Price needs to close over that key area. If price can close over that with ECR, I think it's heading back up to 5p. I really do. If price can defeat this consolidation zone that it's in, I think the bigger macro bullish uptrend is in play with ECR. But it's like everything, guys, with the markets and what have you. You just got to be patient, right? don't over leverage. This is my opinion, right? It's not financial advice. Don't over leverage. Don't use funds that you can't afford to lose. Don't use funds that, you need to pay your mortgage, your bills with, or anything like that. Use funds that, you can afford to not worry about. That takes away a lot of the emotion. It takes away a lot of the fear. And it takes away, like, micro movements of the chart playing with your head. This is just in my opinion, right? So we can see that we've got this key level that price needs to get above. It's looking really strong today. It's looking really strong since this recent bounce. And, yeah, it's ECR is looking cool. What else should we have a quick look at? I just like going through. We're just doing, like, on the fly, you know what I mean? I didn't plan this out. I wasn't going to do... have we done HMI? Have we looked at HMI? Yeah, of course we have. We looked at HMI. I do apologise. I didn't want to, plan it all out and stuff like that. I'll do a separate video for Bitcoin because Bitcoin's making some fabulous moves that we predicted using our system of technical analysis. Should we have a quick look, see what GGP is doing? Yeah, GGP is moving as predicted. It's broken, as we said in previous videos and previous charts. Price has broken out. This looks like it's forming a bull flag now, to be fair. This looks like a bull flag that it's forming, some sort of flag, which I think price is going to use to exploit this area above on the charts. I think in the short to medium term, I think Greatland Gold's going to head back and want to test 22p. This was a beautiful market makers candle that we had on the 27th, which solid buying candle. Looks like a bull flag is being created right now. The markets use these structures to propel themselves up to higher levels. It did it with PHE. It's done, PHE uses these structures to test key levels of resistance. And I think that's what's occurring. There's some resistance at about 20.12s we can see with GGP. And it looks like maybe some bull flag. I'll probably draw it out on the 4-hour chart. We're getting some nice conversions of the EMAs. Price can get above. There's some key tests above. But I think in the short term, I think price is going to want to test 22p. But if we look at the macro uptrend with GGP, we've got some lovely market structure up ahead. I don't know if I'm missing any other tickers that you guys wanted. I do apologise. We're just like literally going down using the alerts log just to look at the charts. What else can we look at? Let's see if we can just do one more. Or shall we call it a day, guys? Do just one more. I thought off the top of my head, but I thought we might have a look at. No, it's all right, guys. Look, I could talk a glass eye to sleep and go on all day long about tickers and charts. Might make some more videos over the weekend, guys. We'll call it a day for now. I'll get this up. I'll get this uploaded. If you find the information useful or interesting, please give us a retweet. Please give us a share. Please give us a like. It really helps us grow the algorithms. And I hope everyone's having a great afternoon, a great Friday. Looking forward to the weekend. We can chill out with our friends and family. Thanks for all the support. And right, guys, I'll catch you knocking around on Twitter. If you need anything, send me a message. And yeah, have a great afternoon, guys. Thanks a lot.